What if your most important computer component had a secret expiration date? And what if that date wasn't measured in years but in data? You think your SSD will last 5 years? 10 years? Most people are measuring lifespan all wrong. Today I'll show you the real number that determines when your SSD dies, and how to check yours in 2 minutes flat. TBW, Terabytes Written. This is your SSD's true lifespan meter. Every gigabyte you save, every file you delete, every program you install, it all counts against this invisible counter. Here's your action plan. Download one of these free tools, they're lightweight and portable. Samsung Magician, Kingston SSD Manager, Crystal Disk Info. Look for total host writes, that's your current data written. Then check wear leveling, that's your wear percentage. Let me show you exactly what to look for. Here's how to interpret your numbers. Under 40%, you're golden. 40-70%, normal use, keep monitoring. But if you're hitting 70-80%, start preparing. Modern SSDs work perfectly until they don't, and failure is often sudden. Here's your survival guide. First, check your wear percentage today. Second, if you're above 70%, budget for a replacement. Third, and this is non-negotiable, implement weekly backups. Your data is worth more than the drive. Comment your percentage below. Have you been shocked by your wear level? And if you're approaching that 80% mark, what's your upgrade plan? Hit subscribe for more tech truths that save your data and your sanity.